Okay, it's yours.
How fast do I go?
You want to take off, you're going to pretty much go all the way. You don't want to just slam it, just go up and then kind of left and right drive it and pull back.
Hey, it ain't going.
Instructor control. Student control.
Okay.
Now?
Yep. Push it.
What am I doing?
You got to push it all the way up. Push it, push it, push it all the way up. Pull back. Now, left. Look at you. First takeoff.
Did I do that?
You did it.
Oh my goodness. That was good.
Good job.
Thank you.
This time when you make this pass, try to come right down the middle of the runway. Now cut the throttle back, just barely back, you'll hear it change. Now watch you land this plane. Just keep going. Now start turning in, cut the throttle back some more. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Throttle up, throttle up. Throttle up, you gotta go up. Keep going. Level out.
Instructor control. Student control.
Okay. Now, starting cutting the throttle. Get it right down the middle, come back this way. Cut the throttle, cut the throttle, cut it. Come to your right. You're way out to the right. You're way out to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. Pull back.
Instructor control.
You ready?
Shake it, Dave.
She took it off, we're trying to land it.
Student control.
Throttle, throttle. You gotta give it some throttle.
Oh, throttle. I'm like cutting it off.
You gotta go back this way.
Student control.
Now start easing the throttle back. That's good right there. Keep going out.
Out.
Now make you turn into the runway. Line up in your eyes. Now cut the throttle. Cut it out. Now this is just a practice. You're not gonna land, but see how you're coming right down the middle? That's where you need to be. Now throttle up and go left.
Nothing wrong with that, just the ground wasn't close.
We're working our way down. Okay, go up a little bit. You need to go back out that way because you got to make your approach.
Instructor control. Student
Okay,
control.
cut the throttle back some.
Instructor control. Student control.
No, you come in too tight. Just turn left. Go ahead and start cutting your throttle back now. Not back, just slow down. There you go. Just keep that altitude. You gotta clear all them trees. Now start making your turn. Straighten out. Now turn again. Now cut the throttle. Now you gotta go left a little bit. That's enough. Right. Right when you get to the ground, pull back on the stick.
Pull back.
Wait, right before it hits the ground.
Pull back.
Pull back. Pull back. Not that much. Let it settle. Pull back. Jim Bell!